Why is a central vacuum cleaning system so much greener, safer, and more efficient for cruise ships? Meet Anna and Matt. Anna uses a modern central vacuum cleaning system, whereas Matt relies on traditional vacuum cleaners. Let's see how their systems differ. Anna's crew is much faster than Matt's, and therefore she needs less staff. Anna's team's power consumption is lower too. Her crew needs 1/3 less power than Matt's crew. A central vacuum cleaning system reduces waste. The life cycles of traditional vacuum cleaners are short. A major cruise ship can go through hundreds of units a year. With 500 traditional vacuum cleaners, that's 50 cubic meters of waste only on the units themselves. The same ship would require 10 central units that are designed to last as long as the ship itself, leaving no yearly waste. Anna also likes to clean with the central vacuum cleaner because it removes hazardous microdust from the air, making the environment healthier for both crew and passengers. Studies show that it is the only suitable option for people suffering from allergies and asthma. At Halton, we wonder when Matt will start using the greener, safer, and more efficient system.
And by the way, want to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars a year with a central vacuum cleaning system? Contact us. We'd love to share our secret method.